Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are fixing a very common problem when the Wi-Fi option is missing from your Windows computer. So let's just go straight and quickly solve this issue step by step. First of all, you can go to the right hand side of the screen and click on the network icon in your taskbar. And if here the airplane mode is turned on, you can turn it off. So if this option is turned on like this, you can click on it again to turn it off and the Wi-Fi should be available again on your screen. Sometimes only doing so can alone bring the Wi-Fi back on your screen. Apart from that, what we can do is we can enable the Wi-Fi adapter. So hit Windows plus R and this opens up. Just go ahead and type in ncpa.cpl. After that, hit enter and this opens up. And here that will open up your network connection. If you see your Wi-Fi network adapter is disabled, back click on the one that is connected. Here, if you see an enable option, which means it has been disabled, so you just need to click on this option right here if there is enable option. After that, confirm it, and that should enable your Wi-Fi adapter on your device. The next thing we can do is we can update or reinstall the driver. For that, you can hit Windows plus X and this opens up. Go to Device Manager from here and hit enter. And once your device manager opens up, you can expand the network adapters from this section right here. So find network adapters and expand it up. Once you find network adapter, right click on your Wi-Fi adapter currently. Mine is this one right here. After that, right click on it, go to update driver. And you can just go and search automatically for drivers, or you can go ahead and update by browsing your computers for driver manually and selecting from the list of available drivers in your computer. If that doesn't work, you can uninstall it and restart your PC and Windows will be install it automatically. So right click on it for that, look out for install device option. And then you just need to confirm that you would like to uninstall it, and then you can reinstall it again. If not, you can go to action and look out for scan for hardware changes, and that will bring your Wi-Fi adapter that is currently missing as well sometimes. And that's it. One of these steps should bring back your Wi-Fi option. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.